Welcome students, let me continue our next class on linear inequality. See, in continuation, this is 17th example. Here in these cases you need to solve the inequalities and at the same time you need to represent the solution on a number line. This is the only change. Things are very easy. Try to understand and then follow here. See, let us take 3x minus 2 which is less than 2x plus 1, right, all of you? Take that 2x to this side, it becomes 3x minus 2x which is less than. Minus 2 you shift to that side, it becomes plus 2, 2 plus 1 you will get here. So 3x minus 2x is only x, and then which is less than 2 plus 1 is 3. X is less than 3. So let us write the solution on the number line. X less than 3 means the solution is in the interval format. How can we write? Minus infinity to 3, infinity to 3, open interval here. We need to represent this interval on the number line. Let me take this as 0, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. This side it is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and so on. C minus 5, here it is 5 here. See, the solution is minus infinity, this is minus infinity and then this is plus infinity. This side it is plus infinity, minus infinity to 3, see, minus infinity to 3. This one you need to highlight, up to 3. 3 is not included, that's why you need to show an oval. Empty circle you show at 3 and on left side, see, this is as usual. Okay, so this is what the solution for this example here. Now let me continue the next example. See, what's the next example? 5x minus 3 is there here. See, once again, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ network ಹೋಗಿತ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ, observation ಮಾಡಿ. Minus infinity to 3 means 3 is to be excluded. Up to minus infinity, all this one you have to highlight here. So further, next example you take here, 5x minus 3 which is greater than or equal to 3x minus 5. ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಇವಾಗ? ಮಾತನಾಡ್ರಿ. Audible? Hello students, am I audible? I don't know. Let me take 5x as it is. Take 3x to this side, minus 3x which is greater than or equal to minus 3, you shift to that side, it becomes plus 3 and then what is there? Minus 5 is there here. So 5x minus 3x, this leads to 2x which is greater than or equal to 3 minus 5 is minus 2. So how can we write it? If you divide by 2 plus 2, divide by plus 2, you divide by 2x which is greater than minus 1. X is greater than or equal to minus 1. This means the solution set is here greater than or equal to minus 1. Means minus 1 onwards. Minus 1 is included here. That's why square bracket we need to show. Square bracket minus 1 greater than minus 1 means up to infinity you can take here. So minus 1 to infinity. Minus 1 to infinity. The left side it is closed, right side it is open here. Now let me represent it on the number line here. Take this as 0. This is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, so on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. Okay. See, minus 1 is included. Minus 1 is included, that's why this minus 1, a solid circle you show here. This is minus 1. Up to infinity. Here this is infinity, no? This is minus infinity. So all the values on right side of that minus 1, including minus 1. Including minus 1, right side, all the values on the number line. So this is what the solution for this example. Now let us continue the solution for the next example. That is what 3 into bracket 1 minus x which is less than 2 into bracket x plus 4. This is the given problem here. Multiply by 3 here. 3 into 1, 3, 3 minus 3x, which is less than 2 into x, 2x plus 2, 4 is 8. Okay. Now 3 you keep here only, or otherwise you do one thing, minus 3x you keep here. Take 2x to this side, this becomes minus 2x, which is less than. Shift this 3 to that side, it becomes 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3. What about minus 3x and minus 2x? Sum is 5x. That is what? Minus 5x, which is less than 8 minus 3 is 5. 8 minus 3 is 5. You divide by 5. So on division by 5, it becomes minus x, which is less than 1. Multiply by minus sign. So what happens? X is greater than minus 1. If you multiply by minus 1, signs of x and 1 will change, but the inequality is reversed. X is greater than minus 1. X is greater than minus 1. So this is what the answer, and then you need to represent it on the number line here. Minus 1. See, this is 0. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. This side it is plus minus infinity, and right side it is plus infinity here. Please concentrate, students. Greater than minus 1. Where the minus 1 is there? Here is the minus 1. You have to exclude it. So hollow circle you show here, and then all the values on right side. Greater means on right side, all the values up to infinity. So solution is, here only I have to include. This means the solution is greater than minus 1. Open interval containing minus 1 up to infinity. Open interval containing minus 1 up to infinity. So this is what the solution for this example. Now let me take into consideration next example. X by 2, which is greater than or equal to 5x minus 2 divided by 3, minus of 7x minus 3 divided by 5. Okay. So this is x by 2, which is greater than or equal to, LCM is 15. 5 take 5 into bracket 5x minus 2 minus of 3 into bracket 7x minus 3 it is. 3 into bracket 7x minus 3. So x divided by 2, which is greater than or equal to 5 5s are 25x minus 5 2s are 10, 7 3s are 21, x minus into minus plus 3 3s are 9 here. So whole divided by 15. Okay. Now let us simplify this. X divided by 2, which is greater than or equal to 25 minus 21, which is 4x, minus 10 plus 9, which is minus 1, divided by 15 it is. Okay. Now x by 2, this 15 I would like to take to this side, and then 2 to that side here. So 15x greater than or equal to 2 into bracket 4x minus 1 here. So 15x is greater than or equal to, this is equal to array, not there, space. Here only I would like to continue. 15x is greater than or equal to 2 into 4 is 8, 8x minus 2, 8x minus 2, 2 into 1 is 2 only. So 15x as it is, take that one to this side, greater than or equal to 8x. Sorry. This is minus 15x minus 8x. 15x minus 8x is greater than or equal to minus 2. 15 minus 8, that leads to 7x. 15 minus 8 leads to 7x, which is greater than or equal to minus 2. So x is greater than or equal to minus 2 by 7. X is greater than or equal to minus 2 by 7 means x is greater than or equal to minus of 0.72 is 14, 0.20 it will become, 0.20 it will become, point I have given. Next 6 remains. 8s are 0.28 something you will get here. Leave it. This division 0.28 2 where it comes that you think 0.28 round figure value. If you want 0 point minus of 0.3 minus of 0.3. okay, see, this is the 0, this is 1 2 3 4 5 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 and so on. Therefore the solution is minus 2 by 7 greater than minus 2 by 7 greater than or equal to minus 2 by 7. So minus 2 by 7 up to infinity equal to is there. So you need to show the square bracket. Minus 2 by 7 backside you need to show square bracket here. It is not ordinary bracket because minus 2 by 7 is included. Minus 2 by 7 is included here. Minus 2 by 7 is included. So location ಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. minus 0.3. See, from 0 you imagine 10 divisions, consider 10 divisions, out of that third division will come, that is minus 0.3 will get here. See, this is what minus 0.3 or minus 2 by 7, minus 2 by 7 on right side or left side? Right side here. So all the values from right side. This is what the solution. On right side you need to come minus 2 by 7. This one you need to highlight it properly. This is what the solution on right side up to infinity. Up to infinity. This is what the solution here. I hope you followed the solution for this example. Let me continue the next example. That is what the application problem is there here. See, next application problems are there here. See how to solve these examples. Verbal problems are there here. Ravi obtained 75 and 70 marks in the first two tests. Find the number if minimum marks he should get in the third test to have an average of at least 60 marks. Okay. Let the marks in third test, marks in third test, that you take it as equal to x. Okay. It is given that 70 plus 75 plus x. 3 tests are there. Average of these 3 is divided by 3. This must be at least 60. Means greater than or equal to 60. It must be greater than or equal to 60. At least 60. 60 or more. At least. You must try to understand this terminology. At least 60 marks. Means 60 are ಬರಬೇಕು. ಅಂದರೆ ಇದರ ಅರ್ಥ 61, 62, 63 ಬರಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತಲ್ಲ. Greater than 60. 70 plus 75, 145 plus x, which is greater than or equal to 180 it is. 60 into 3, that leads to 180. So x is greater than or equal to 180 minus of 145. So x greater than or equal to 180 minus 145. 180 ಒಳಗಡೆ 145 ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ 35. So in third test, if to get an average of at least 60 marks, Ravi should get minimum of 35 marks. At least 35 marks ಬರಬೇಕು. 35 ಮೇಲ್ ಬಂದ್ರೂ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದು acceptable ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Therefore Ravi should get an average of, get a minimum at least, average and prada, get at least 35 marks. 35 marks. ಕನಿಷ್ಠ ಅಂದರೂ 35 ಅಂಕಗಳನ್ನು ಪಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಎಲ್ಲಿದು? ಥರ್ಡ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ನಾಗ. ಇನ್ನು ಥರ್ಡ್ test so as to get the 60%. 60 ಅವರೇಜ್ 60 ಸಿಗಬೇಕು, ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅವರೇಜ್ 60 ಸಿಗಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇಷ್ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದೆ. ಟು ರಿಸೀವ್ ಅ ಗ್ರೇಡ್ ಎ ಇನ್ ಅ ಕೋರ್ಸ್, one must obtain an average of 90 marks or more in 5 examinations. Each 100 marks ಇದೆ. If Sunita's marks in first 4 examination, 4 examination ಸುನಿತಾ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Find the minimum marks in 5th examination to get grade A in the course. Okay. See, marks, let marks in 5th test or 5th examination. 5th examination ಒಳಗಡೆ x marks ಅನ್ನು ಪಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾಳೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. So what it is given, let us take the average of 5 tests. First test 87, second test 92, third test 94, fourth 95, fifth one is not known. That you take it as x. Take, let us divide it by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tests are there. So you need to divide by 5. See, to get, see what data he has given. If Sunita marks in first 4 examinations, you will find the minimum marks in the 5th examination to get grade A in the course. Okay. See, an average, one must obtain an average of 90 marks or more, means in 5 examinations, means 90 or more means greater than or equal to 90. This average must be greater than or equal to 90 here. Okay, let us add all this. 87, 92, 94, 95. 87, 92, 94 and then 95. Okay, 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 2, 11, 7, 18. Okay. Next, 27, 28, 28 plus 8, 36, 368 this is. So 368 plus x, which is greater than or equal to 90 into 5. 90 into 5. This 5 is cross multiplied. So x is greater than or equal to 450 it is. 450 minus 368. X is greater than or equal to what? 450 minus 368. So what will get? 450 minus 368 you will get. 10 minus 8, 2. 15 minus 7. 15 minus 7 is 8. So this is 0. 82 will get here. So in order to get an average of 90 or more in 5 examination, Sunita should get minimum of 82 marks, at least 82 marks in the 5th test. This is what the solution for this. So the minimum marks in 5th test, 5th unit test or 5th examination must be equal to 82 minimum 82 or more it is acceptable. Actually this is not necessary. ನಂಬರ್ ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗೋದು ಬೇಡ, ಅದನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, see, let us move to the next question. See what is the question. Please read it. See students, let us continue our next example. 23rd example. Find all pairs of consecutive odd positive integers, both of which are smaller than 10, such that their sum is more than 11 here. Two datas are there in this. So you have to collect it properly and then link them. See, if you take any even odd integer, say 3, 5, so on, 7, so on. If you take this one as x, see this is how much more? By adding 2 you will get it, 5. For 5, if you add again 2, you will get here 7. So x, next one is x plus 2. In order to get it, next number for x plus 2 you need to add here. Okay. Find all pairs of consecutive odd positive integers. Let the integers be, the positive integers be x comma x plus 2. Consecutive. ಒಂದಾದ ನಂತರ ಒಂದು ಬರೋದು ಅನುಕ್ರಮವಾಗಿ. Suppose if you take the first odd integer as x, next will be x plus 2 definitely. Okay, ಹೀಗೂ ಬರಿಬೋದು. Let the integers be, see the first odd integer, if you take into consideration it as x, then next one is consecutive, next odd integer. This must be equal to what here? X plus 2. What condition he has given? For all, find all pairs of consecutive odd positive integers, both of which are smaller than 10. Here one condition, x is less than 10, and secondly x plus 2, this is also less than 10. It means x is less than 8, 10 minus 2, shift to that side, it is 8. Here only I would like to write in the first line, this implies x is less than 8. 10 minus 2, that leads to 8 here. These two conditions you remember in your mind. First condition is x is less than 10. Next, x is less than 8. These two conditions you keep in your mind. And what it is given? Given condition you see here. Both of which are smaller than 10 such that their sum is more than 11. See, sum is more than 11. Sum is more than 11 means what you can write? Their sum, first integer, it's consecutive integer x plus 2. Sum is more than 11 means greater than or equal to 11 you can hear. Greater than or equal to 11 here. Not equal to, it must be greater than 11 here. Okay, because more than 11 he has mentioned means 11 ಗಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿರಬೇಕು means 11 is not to be included here. So what you can write after simplification? 2x plus 2 is greater than 11. 2x plus 2 is greater than 11 here. So 2x is greater than 11 minus 2, which is 9. So what you are getting? X is greater than 9 by 2. Means x is greater than 9 by 2 means 4.5. So x takes the values 5, 4.5 ನಂತರ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಆಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ನೋಡಿ, x is odd number 5, next 7 it will come, next 9, whether it is possible, x must be less than 10, 9 ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ 5, 7, 9. Therefore the possible pairs ಏನೇನಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು? 5, 7 ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮೆಂಬರ್ 5 ಇದ್ದರೆ ಎರಡನೇದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 5 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 7. ಇನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮೆಂಬರ್ 7 ಆಗಿದ್ದರೆ 7 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 9. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. 9 ಫಸ್ಟ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 11 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ 10 ಹಿಯರ್. See the next example. Find all the pairs of consecutive even positive integers, both of which are larger than 5 such that their sum is less than 23. This is what the problem here. Suppose if you take a consider x be the positive even integer, x and x plus 2 be positive even integers, consecutive. Suppose if you take say 4, next is 6, so this is 2 more, no? plus 2. Suppose if it is x, next consecutive is x plus 2. Same as before, even audio the condition baratte. What it is, the condition is, what condition they have given? X is greater than or less than, both of which are larger than 5, means this is greater than 5 and x plus 2 is also greater than 5. It means x is greater than 5 and x is greater than 3. X is greater than 5 and x is greater than 3. Okay, let us keep in mind what condition he has given. Use the given condition. What it is given such that their sum is less than 23. Their sum means x and x plus 2. Add, this is less than 23. Less than 23, right? So 2x plus 2 is less than 23. Means 2x is less than 21. It means x is less than 21 by 2. It means x is less than 21 by 2, which is nothing but x is less than 10.5. Okay, less than 10.5, greater than what? 5. Greater than 5. So what we will get? X is equal to greater than 5. Both the conditions must tally. Greater than 5, greater than 3. Eradu condition satisfy agakka ನಾವು greater than 5 ಮಾತ್ರ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. So after 5, 6 will come. The even integers after 5, x equal to 6 will come, 7 will come, 8 will come. Sorry, even integers only 6, 8, 10. After that 12 will come, but it is not less than 10.5. 10.5 ಗಿಂತ ಮೊದಲೇ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಅಷ್ಟು ನೋಡಬೇಕು. So therefore the pairs are. So what are the possible pairs? So 3 possibilities are there. See, first entry with 6, second entry with 8, next entry with 10 here. 6, 8, 8, next is x plus 2, that is 8 plus 2, that is 10. If you take 10 here, 10 plus 2, which is 12 here. This is 12. Okay. Here the condition, x must be less than 10. First entry, this must be less than 10.5. 12 ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. X must be less than 10.5, not x plus 2. Okay, x is less than 10.5. This is the next condition here. So the possible pairs are 6, 8, 8, 10 and 10, 12 here. So let us move to the next question. Here there is a problem based on the triangle here. Here longest side of a triangle is 3 times the shortest side. There is a triangle. Take the shortest side be x here. This is shortest here. Shortest side. You take shortest side. You take it as x. Okay. Longest side is 3 times the shortest. So longest side is equal to 3 times the shortest, means 3x you can write. Then what about the next side? Third side. Third side is 2 centimeters shorter here than the longest. Longest is 3x and then 2 centimeters shortest, means 3x minus 2 centimeters. So this is x centimeter, this is 3x centimeter, and then this is 3x minus 2 centimeter according to the given data here. If the perimeter of the triangle, perimeter, this you take here. If the perimeter of the triangle is at least 61 centimeter, this must be at least 61, means minimum 61, means equal to 61 or greater than 61. Greater than or equal to 61 you can write. So perimeter means you have to add up all these. X you take, 3x you take, next 3x minus 2 you take, greater than or equal to 61. X plus 3x is 4x, 4 plus 3, 7, 7x minus 2. 7x minus 2 is greater than or equal to 61. It means 7x is greater than or equal to 61. 7x is greater than or equal to 61 plus 2. That leads to 63. Divided by 9. 7x divided by 9, which is greater than or equal to 63 divided by 9. Now 7 here, not by 9, you divide by 7. 7. 7 cancels, x which is greater than or equal to 9 now. X is greater than or equal to 9. Therefore, what's the question here? X we got. If the perimeter, find the minimum length of the shortest side. Shortest side you have taken it is x. Therefore, the minimum length of the shortest side is 9 centimeter. Therefore, minimum length of shortest side must be equal to 9 centimeter. So this is what the solution for this question. Okay, last question in your exercise. Time ಆಗಿದೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಇದನ್ನು ನೀವೇ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ.